The words of the blessing of Enoch, by which he blessed the elect and righteous, who will be living in the day of tribulation, when all the wicked and sinful are to be removed. And he took up his parable and said, Enoch, a righteous man, whose eyes were opened by Elohim, saw the vision of the Holy One in the heavens, which the angels showed me, and from them I heard everything, and from them I understood as I saw, but not for this generation, but for a remote one which is to come. Concerning the elect I said, and took up my parable concerning them. The Holy Great One will come forth from his dwelling, and the eternal Elohim will tread upon the earth, even on Mount Sinai, and appear in the strength of his might from the heaven of heavens. All shall be smitten with fear, and the watchers shall quake. And great fear and trembling shall seize them unto the ends of the earth. And the high mountains shall be shaken, and the high hills shall be made low, and shall melt like wax before the flame. The earth shall be wholly rent in sunder, and all that is upon the earth shall perish, and there shall be a judgment upon all. But with the righteous he will make peace, and will protect the elect, and mercy shall be upon them. And they shall all belong to Elohim, and they shall be prospered, and they shall all be blessed. He will help them all, and light shall appear unto them, and he will make peace with them. And behold, he comes with 10,000s of his holy ones to execute judgment upon all, and to destroy all the sinful, and to convict all flesh of all the works of their sinfulness which they have sinfully committed, and of all the hard things which sinful sinners have spoken against him.